Hello, Ninang Auntie Ili. Happy birthday. Good health always. And God bless.
Hi Auntie Ali, today is your special day po. You're getting older na but you look young pa rin. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and all the things that bring you joy. May God bless you po with long life, filled with love, peace, and happiness. Just enjoy your day po. Thank you so much for all the things that you gave to us. We love you po. Happy birthday.
Hi po Auntie. I am really grateful that I have an auntie like you. I am really grateful to the Lord that He gave me you, O Lord. I thank you to Auntie for all the things that you gave us. Anything, O Lord. I thank you, Auntie.
Happy birthday po, Auntie. I wish you all the good health in this world. Thank you po sa mga binigay niyo sa amin na mga blessings and kindness that you gave us po. Thank you po. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
God bless
you!
Hello, Auntie Ellie. How are you? God bless you. And I pray that you are in good hands and God will bless you because He promised in His word in Psalm 54:11 that He will not withhold any good things for those who walk His blameless. I'm claiming that verse for you.
Pastor Dan.
I am Pastor Dan, I'm COG Gentry, and this is where Sister Emily is having a church and finally serving the Lord with gladness, and I hope that God will continue to bless her life as she serves the Lord. Thank you and God bless you.
Wow.
Happy birthday from COG Mastering Me!
Hello, mami ja muut. En tiedä näkeekö muut, mutta melkein sillä kun puhuu suomea. Mutta siis hyvää syntymäpäivää ja toivottavasti sillä on kaikki hyvin. Ja iskele terveisiä ja nähdään kohta. Moi moi!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mother. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mom. I hope you're enjoying time in Philippines. I know you have talked about going there to meet Kuyas and Uncle. I hope you're enjoying your time there and, you know, hi to everybody in there. But anyways, have a great day, happy birthday, and I'll see you by the end of this month. Bye!
Maupay! Ay no! Kumusta na? Hi John! Kumusta? Ano? Thank you sa balanghoy. Inok, thank you. Hi, hi.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Okay na?
Kilala mo na yun.
May nagyako kita mga pamulay.
Lord, nagpapasalamat kami, hininga mga grasya nga amon na tiga na si-celebrate na naton nagbe-birthday yan na. Nagpapasalamat kami Ginoo nga nakatagamtam kami, hininga mga grasya nga amon na nagkarawat niya.
Kita ko dyan.
Amay namo na naka mga langit, patayawan na ni mga anan. Ikani mo nga amo na ni mo gihadian, ipasunod na ni mo pagbuot din nato na sa ganang pagsundabit sa atin.
Alam mo kanina ng karoon namin na kinadlaw, pagwaling mo ang taon para sa lahat, pagwaling namin na kasalahan. Nandiyan mo kayo bayaan ba?
Harayo.
Okay, mga salamat. Yes, ha? Kanta na birthday song. It aton celebrants by Mr. Jeffrey.
Yeah.
Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Auntie.
Sabi nga, ang lahat daw may end. Ang friend may end, ang best friend may end. Lahat ng boyfriend may end din. Pero ang family walang end. Kasi I-L-Y, ang ibig sabihin, I love you. Nandito lang kami natin. Ang aking atin po sa Virgin Boss, babait, loving, ano ka? Caring,
Happy birthday. Good health always. Stay humble. Always down. Okay, thank you for everything. Yes, always. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Hello, Ate Lili. Sigurado ka ni Bongbong kung magulang ka man ako. Hindi lagi hapon. Anyway, salamat ang mga padara ako. Thank you so much. Siyempre, di akong birthday sa iyo. Gragas, nakapaladang mga niyapan.
Okay, dalawa salamat. So yan ha, mapamulay alay kita. So according to Tato Celebrant, may ilang mga surprises, hindi yung mga kinlilingkuran. So sila, hailaro yung lingkuran, may ilang nakabutang happy birthday. So kuhanin nyo, ihataga, birthday celebrants, then my cars, prize! May lingkuran, arayon! Pangaray, yoga, warta!
Oh, tiyo likuran, ilarong, tiyo likuran. Waray, tidak, waray. Kita.
Wow, thank you! Atulo!
Banat! Mama!
Ato may nakuha tubangan!
Mama, sigero tiyo. Din na tiyo, may dala na tiyo.
Sige na kay €10.
Waray, may na. Ari pa. Yay! Very nice. Tulo na. Ari tiya, may na pausa.
Okay, na usa.
Ari tiya.
Ikaw pang usa na lang.
Di na, waray na. Ay da. Wow, kompleto na.
Hit nakakuha, hit mga nakasort ka happy birthday, alayin yung pagkalika mo. Pag-claim yung iyong premium. Wow! Alam! Yaw, €10! Pero piso ito.
45.
Times 45, may naka mo 4,500.
Yeah, gisuburan.
450. Okay, waray na. Congratulations! Nakakuha ng €10.
Salamat! Hinuman, alam nila na favorite color ni Ate Pink. Pero kung sinong nakasuot ng panty o brief na pink, wow! Papakita!
Dito lang pakita! Congratulations! Nakaka-20 ka na!
Ate, dalawa sila. Dinawin.
Okay!
Repeat daw, baka mama.
Waray na! €10 in price. Okay, Q. Aron ito niya na. Maya nila nga paborito niya aton aron.
Derek Kamote.
Umba daw. Derek ano? Algerita. Pansit. So, pansit iya paborito. So, cheapest nagdaon €1. Okay, last yay, ano? Sinong mauna magbigay ng 5 puting buhok? So, 10, 9, 8, Sinanalo na si Harris. Kawawa naman yung binunutan ng buhok.
I can't remember when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear you could do anything for this. Can't imagine anything, please. Can't imagine anything. Two of us get to the years. You never let me down. You turn a life around. The sweetest days of we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here. I can't remember what I used to do. You are trusted me, and you said to
Parang nasa ano lang kami nasa hotel.
Siya yung train.
Lapit mo daw, lapit.
someone's eyes you've never met, who wants to get to know you, someone's smile you can't forget, and if the music plays on in your mind, take all the love that you can find, and if love sings you take all the love that you can find, and hope it comes again. Take all the love that you can find, and hope it comes
One more, one more, one more. Nagmarang sumayaw, bahala ka. Ito nagbabasya. Babasya.
Ngunit mahal, ikaw ay nasaan? Aking pinibigin ay ikaw lamang. Ikaw lamang. Ikaw ang aking pangarap. Dasal puso
pagkarigo.
Thank you.
Kunika.